In this video of CSS, we are going to discuss about the very important concept using which we can give some very attractive look to our web page, and that is the images. Images, as I said, can give you a very representational information along with some decoration as well. So proper formatting of image is one of the very important tasks of a web designer. So let's see a practical implementation where we will pass some different styles to the images. So let's start a practical implementation. Alright, so now for putting the image, we know we will work with the img tag, and here we have the attribute called src where I will pass the URL of the image. Now to give some styles to this, I will use the style attribute as always, and then I will pass a couple of things. Like here I am just making some changes in the border, though we have a lot of new things which are there in CSS3 which we will cover in the upcoming series. Now here we see border, it's 3 pixel, means that's the width of the border. Dotted means there will be not a solid border, it will be dotted border of red color. So let's save it and come to browser. When I'll refresh, you can see there is logo followed by this red dotted 3 pixel width border. Now if you want to make it dashed, there are some more options. You can make it dashed like this, and if you want you can make it solid as well. Alright, now for this I will use 1 pixel solid green. Alright, so these are the things which you can work while working with the images in CSS. As I said, we do have a lot of things while we will be working with CSS3 which we'll cover in later. So that is all about giving these styles to the images.